Before using the toilet, open the blade by turning the handle anti-clockwise on the washroom door side. Press the button on the side of the toilet to activate the flush. There is also a warning light next to the button that comes on when the toilet cassette needs emptying. Always close the blade completely after each use. The cassette toilet is accessed from outside of the caravan. Open the service door by unlocking and then pressing in both buttons at the same time. To remove the cassette, squeeze the handle and lift up to release it from its catch. The cassette should pull out easily. If it doesn't, check the toilet blade has been closed properly on the inside. Pull the cassette toilet towards you slowly, grabbing the top to lift it out of the locker. Remove the water filling extension and place it in a safe place to avoid it getting lost. The cassette toilet has wheels and a handle. Squeeze the handle to release and pull up to create a pull handle. This makes it easier to take to a toilet waste disposal point. When at the toilet waste disposal or LSAN point, push the handle down and turn the pour-out spout outwards. Remove the cap and press the vent button with your thumb. Tilt forward the cassette with the pour-out pipe angled towards the waste disposal point until the cassette is empty. Pour about 3 litres of water down the spout and replace the cap. Gently shake to rinse round the cassette. Remove the cap and pour out through the spout into the waste disposal point. Now slide off the cover and twist the dial to open the blade. You can flush the inside with a hose and then again pour this out through the spout. Next, add the toilet chemicals. Check the required amount of the blue additive and, using the measure on the pour-out cap, add this to the waste tank along with 3 litres of water. Once complete, turn the dial to close the blade. Slide back on the quick release cap and screw the cap back on, returning the spout to its original position. Slide the cassette back into its exterior locker, pushing until you hear it click into place. To fill the flush, rotate the water fill funnel outwards. Add the water filling extension funnel, which can be found on the top of the wastewater tank. Add the stated amount of Thetford fresh water additive to the water tank. This ensures a better and cleaner flush and keeps the water in the flush tank fresh. Fill the water tank with clean water, but keep the water level below the top of the water filling funnel. Remove the extension and return it to its original position on the waste tank.